How can you find affordable, quality traditional Irish instruments? Imagine walking through a lively Irish market, hearing the sounds of fiddles and tin whistles filling the air. Now, you might wonder how to find those authentic instruments without spending a fortune. Well, there are some smart ways to do just that. First, visit specialized Irish music shops in cities like Dublin or Galway. Stores such as McNeela Music and Musician carry a wide variety of traditional instruments. You can find bodhrans, which are Irish frame drums, starting at around €15. Wooden flutes and tin whistles are also common and usually cost between €20 and €50. These shops often let you try instruments before buying, helping you pick the best sound and feel. If you're on a budget, start with simpler instruments like spoons or small bodhrans. They are affordable and still keep you connected to Irish music. Spoons can cost as little as €15 and are easy to learn. For those wanting a step up, look for handcrafted or intermediate-level instruments. Many Irish makers produce flutes, fiddles, and concertinas that balance quality and price. These can range from €100 to €300, depending on the craftsmanship. Visiting local festivals or traditional music sessions is another great idea. Vendors often sell instruments or can connect you with local artisans. You might even find a bargain directly from a maker. During these events, you can ask questions about the instrument's history and quality. Online Irish music stores are also worth exploring. They often have competitive prices and deliver directly to your home. But if you are traveling, trying instruments in person is best. When shopping, pay attention to the size and sound of each instrument. For example, a beginner flute should be about 30 centimeters long and easy to blow. A bodhran should be around 40 centimeters in diameter for comfortable playing. Prices vary depending on the quality and materials used. For a good beginner set, expect to spend around €50 to €100. If you want something more professional, budget around €100 to €300. Always ask about the return policy and warranty, especially for online purchases. Remember, buying from a reputable shop or maker ensures you get a genuine Irish instrument. Visiting music stores in Ireland gives you the chance to hold and test the instruments, making sure they feel right for you. Attending local music events can also help you meet makers and learn about their craft. Whether you choose to buy in person or online, focus on finding an instrument that sounds good and fits your budget. With a little patience and research, you can find a beautiful, authentic Irish instrument that will bring Irish culture and music into your life.